my channel where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be checking out my Alltrue box for winter 2024. Now, if you're not familiar with Alltrue, this is a quarterly subscription box and it is considered a lifestyle box, meaning you'll receive a variety of products inside of it. Now, this subscription has been around for a few years now and I have had it on and off again. They have been purchased by all new owners and they've been rebranding, and they actually came out with some new boxes this winter season. I think it looks adorable, you guys. I looked at my box when it came in the mail and I was like, I really like it. They've also opted to go with packaging that can be recycled. So it's not that shiny cardboard that we see on some boxes where you can't recycle that, versus this one is going to be that matte print and you are able to actually recycle it. So I think that's really awesome. I like the change that they made. I like the winter vibe with it. This little candy wrapper here, so cute. So if you're interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you guys and you can check it all out. I also have a 20% off discount code that I was actually able to ask Alltrue for, and they were like, sure. So here's a code. If any of you are interested in purchasing, you can use it and save a little bit of money. Now, this box can be customized every quarter as well, and I did customize my box here today. They have a ton of options in every category. That is one thing that I feel like when I look through the categories, there's so many different options available that we could all have different boxes. I mean, there's just so much to choose from. I'm going to be showing you guys the 6 items that I chose for my box, but just know when you sign up, you can customize your entire box and there's a lot of other choices to choose from. I felt like there were good options too, but they were definitely winter themed. So you're going to notice that with these, that they're for the winter season. Inside of my box, when I open it up, it looks like this. Love the presentation. I mean, that looks bougie. So on top, I have their winter magazine, and I believe this is going to show you all of the items that could have been in your box. Yes, so there's going to be lots of choices in here. Like I said, I don't have all of these items with me today. I'm only going to show you the ones that I customized with, but it does have those other options in here, which there's some really good options in here, you guys. Like Sunday Riley, I mean, hello. Oh my gosh, my box looks so good. Look at this. You guys, this looks awesome. I love how it looks gift-worthy even. I mean, they really wrapped this well. So I had to go with the blanket, you guys. I am just a sucker for blankets, and believe me, I have more than enough, but I just love them. And I always like having them, especially when I'm reading a book or I'm just watching a movie. Like, I always need a blanket in wintertime. So this is one of the choices in category 1, and this is the one that I went with. This is a blanket that's made by Alltrue, so they make it in-house. It's called the Teddy Throw Blanket. It's 50 by 60, and it says that this is an uber plush blanket. It will make you feel like a teddy bear hug all winter long. It's made sustainably with 100% recycled materials to prove that cozy doesn't have to come at an environmental cost. So this one says that Alltrue's on a mission to source you better products for you and the planet. It's definitely in line with what they want to do with this subscription box. Now, it only comes in the one color, which is this gray color here. Very soft, very plush. So, I mean, there's no denying. There's nothing about this is rough or scratchy or anything. I mean, it is cozy. It feels like it's going to be extremely warm. And I like that it's lined all the way. It's not just on one side, it is on both sides. So this blanket retails for $75 if you wanted to purchase it from the Alltrue store. In this first category, there were still a lot of great options. So if you didn't want to go with the blanket, there was also a shoulder bag. There was a lunch bag option as well. It's more of like a tote, but it's insulated. They additionally had a serving platter. There was a skincare bundle from Clark's Botanicals. That set was actually the most expensive item in this category. The skincare set retailed for $185 for the 2 items in it. So it does look nice. The only reason why is I just love blankets, you guys. I mean, that's the only reason why I didn't get it. I thought about it because I do like skincare and I wanted to try it, but the blanket wins. Okay, moving on. This is the product that I was shocked to see, you guys. They have Sunday Riley as one of their options this season for winter. Now, this is going to be the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. It is a full-size product. This oil is something that you'll put on before bed, and it does feature retinol inside of it. So it's going to target fine lines and wrinkles and really even out your appearance. This is something, though, you want to do gradually. I talk about this all the time, that retinol is a stronger ingredient, which it needs to be to get the job done, but you want to gradually work into it. Do it once a week and then slowly build up to twice a week. Don't jump into doing this every single night, otherwise you will feel some tingling or some burning or things like that. So definitely go slowly with this product, but it does work, and also it is super expensive. So if you were going to go to Sephora and purchase this, it retails for $55, which is almost what I paid for my entire Alltrue box. So this was in category 3 if you wanted the Sunday Riley Luna oil, or they also had a pair of fuzzy socks that you could go with. There's also a set of 4 dessert plates, which I have to show you guys. Aren't these cute? So this was another option that you could get in this category. They additionally had a humidifier as another option. It is a personal sized humidifier, so it's not huge. I think it's designed to be just for like one space, like just in your bedroom or something. But I mean, it is kind of nice for wintertime to have a humidifier. There was also a silicone muffin pan, and then they had the vitamin C mask from Georgette Klinger as well. Another great skincare product as well if you wanted another skincare option. So I mean, category 3, there's some good ones in here. I definitely would have taken the humidifier even, but I mean, I just can't say no to Sunday Riley. The next item that I have in here is companion candles. So this says a healthy pet starts at home. So this is a set of 2 candles. They do come together as a pair. And it says our scents are inspired by the delicate moments with our favorite companions by our side. So welcome to the companion candles. So these ones all give back to a couple of different shelters for dogs as well. It's a really cool company, and they talk a little bit more about them inside of the box. But these 2 candles will have 2 different scents. This is what they will look like here. And the first one is called Hello Snow. You're going to notice that they both have these lids over top. So it's kind of cool that if you don't want to burn it right away, you don't have to lose that scent. You can put the lid right over top of it and then keep it fresh. So this is a coconut and soy wax blend, and it says that this is going to be a safe, clean burn, so it is pet friendly. And it mentions that this will feature a sandalwood and forest note. There's also going to be a little bit of amber in here as well. But it is non-toxic, there's no dyes, no additives, or BS. That's literally what it says here on the side too. So this is a 3-ounce candle. It says that it should burn for 50 hours, and I got 2 of them, so that's a good burn time. We have a wood wick here in the center, and I can definitely smell the woodsy forest in there. It's really good. This is definitely a scent that I would burn here in the wintertime as well. It's very woodsy oriented. It smells like pine. It smells awesome though. Now the other candle that comes in this same box is in a different scent. This one's called Celebrate the Season, and it's a nutmeg and sugar blend. It's also 3 ounces. It's also pet safe, so you can burn this around them, no problems. And it mentions that it will burn for 50 hours. You do have to give these a pretty good pull to get them to come off, but then your candle will be down below. Same wood wick that we saw earlier. Now this smells like we're baking. I mean, this is warm and cozy. I'm definitely getting that nutmeg in there. It's a sweet blend, but it's not a sickeningly sweet blend either. It's a really good blend though. I 100% recommend these candles, you guys. Not only do they smell good, but I like that they are applicable for winter so I can burn them right away. But I also like that these are non-toxic. I like the fact that they're gonna burn for 50 hours as well. So yes, if you're looking for some winter candles, if you like woodsy scents, if you like kind of that spiced baking scent, I do recommend these. Now this set of 2 candles is in category number 2, and they retail for $39 for the pair. before. But if you didn't want to go with candles inside of this category, they also had a set of silicone kitchen utensils. You could go with a rustic bell garland, which I actually thought was kind of cute, you guys. I didn't know what I would do with this, so I didn't go with it, but I did think it's kind of cute. They also had a scarf in here. There's a puzzle you could go with, and then they also had a silk sleeping eye mask and pillowcase duo set as well. So lots of cozy items again. I mean, that's one thing that I will give them props on, is that all of the choices that I saw online, they were all applicable for winter. They're definitely giving me the cozy vibe this season, which, hey, it's exactly what I want right now. The next item that I went with is called the Friend Sheep. I think these are my wool dryer balls, but I love the name of this. Friend Sheep. Spread love, not toxins. So cute. So this is a cruelty-free, organic, fair trade, plastic-free, and zero waste company that is all based here in the US. They are from California, and they mention that you can reduce, reuse, and repurpose this bag as well. For every bag sold of these dryer balls, they'll actually plant a tree. So again, Alltrue is all about being a little bit more sustainable, a little bit better for you and for the planet. So this is the next item that I chose for my box. It is a set of 3 dryer balls. I needed to get new ones of these, and so it was perfect timing for me to get this inside of my box. So all they're little balls like this. They're made of wool. There's a set of 3 here inside of this bag, and you're just gonna put these inside of your dryer, do a normal load just like you normally will. The idea is that you're replacing dryer sheets with these wool balls instead. So they do prevent static, which in wintertime, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I get more static now than ever before. I think it's because it's so dry out, but it's awful. So these are great at getting rid of that static. The only thing I'm gonna point out, because this is why I had to get new ones, is if you have pets, it's a ball and they think it's a toy. So just pointing that out there, that if you accidentally drop one, they're gonna chase it and they're gonna think it's a game and they're not gonna give it back to you because they think it's a toy. So that is the whole reason why I had to get a whole nother set, because yeah, unfortunately my wool balls met their demise. Wait a second. It says one of them is supposed to look like, it does! I just saw it inside of the booklet. The other wool ball, I was expecting them to all look the same. This one, it actually looks like the planet. How cool is that? So this is what it will look like here. And then the other one is gonna look like your traditional wool ball. I just noticed it when I opened up the booklet and I was like, oh, look at that. So this set of 3 retails for $18. This is in category 6. Inside of this category, you could also get a dry facial brush. There was a texture scrubber from Daily Concepts. They also had a deodorant and a lotion for your hands as well. It's like an ultra moisturizing one from This Works. So again, I felt like there were really good options in here, but I needed the wool balls, so it just made sense. But the earth is a pleasant surprise. The next item that I went with was a palette. Now this one, it is a little bit smaller than what I realized. It is all sealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and we can take a peek at it. But this is supposed to be an eyeshadow palette, and it looks like it could also double as like a blush and a highlighter as well. So this is my next product here. So this palette retails for $42 if you wanted to purchase it brand new. You can go with this option that has the blush and the highlighter built into it, or Alltrue had another one available where it was just eyeshadows, but it's from the same brand. Very neutral shades, kind of like this one as well. It is a little bit smaller than what I was expecting, but also I do kind of know this brand and that is on par for them. So I kind of see it. I think their idea is that they want to be travel friendly. But like I said, if you don't want to go with that palette, they have another one available. But also in this category, you could go with a comb. There were silicone hot pad mats, which actually, now that I think about it, I could have used those too. That would have been good. They even had a pocket lint roller. This was the other thing I was curious about. So it's real small. And what it is, it's just a little lint roller that you can take out and then just do a quick little sweep. So you could take it with you if you're traveling and then do a quick touch up before you go anywhere. I thought it was kind of handy, but I also was like, well, I've got lint rollers. I'll go for the beauty item. But then they also had some other skincare products in here too. So this is category 5. I mean, again, you guys, I feel like these are really good choices this season. And last up for today is a necklace that spells out the word hope. This is a gold necklace, and then it's very simple, very dainty, and it just has the letters for hope. It is a 14 karat gold necklace, and they mention that it retails for $100 if you wanted to purchase it. This category that it came from was very accessory heavy. I don't know if they did that deliberately or not, but when I looked in there, they had some other jewelry options available. So it was a lot of different jewelry pieces. This was the one that I was drawn to, but they had other things. So if you're interested in like earrings or a bracelet, they had those available as well. They also had like headbands in this category too. So there were a lot of fun little accessories that you could choose as this item for your box. I feel like this is a really good box. First off, I love the rebrand that they're doing. I love the box change. I love the print. I mean, it looks so cute. I love the fact that you can recycle all of their boxes as well. Even inside the box, they have different paper to like pack everything, but you can recycle every part of this box. So I do think that's great that we're cutting down on waste by recycling. But then I also feel like the items are so perfect for winter. There are so many cozy, warm options. And then they even thought about how can we get hydration? How can we get moisture? Let's do a humidifier. Let's do lotion. You know what I mean? Like they thought about the different things we would want this winter season. So I do think they did a really great job. So if you're interested in trying out the Alltrue Winter Box, I will be posting that link down below along with my discount code. This box is open right now, so you should be able to customize your box as soon as you sign up. That's the only thing I don't know though, is what their inventory levels are. I have no idea if some of these items have sold out or not. So just keep that in mind that if everybody runs to get the Sunday Riley product right away, it may sell out faster than some of the other products. But the good news is I do feel like they have great options in every category still. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!